Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is exquisite. It is pronounced exquisite and spelt E-X-Q-U-I-S-I-T-E. Think X, E-X, then quis, Q-U-I-S, and then ite, I-T-E. Exquisite means something very beautiful, very delicate, intricate, or pleasing to the senses. It's a way to describe something of high quality and something that is pleasing to look at or experience. For example, you could say the painting was exquisite and the painted dancers seemed ready to leap off the canvas. Or, the exquisite meal was utterly delicious. The word exquisite comes from the Latin word exquisitus, which means carefully chosen or elaborate. Its meaning is similar today, but more specifically for something visually or sensually attractive. In The Secret Garden, by Frances Hodgson Burnett, the garden eventually transforms from neglected and overgrown to a vibrant and beautiful sanctuary. The blooming flowers are exquisite. Synonyms for exquisite include beautiful, delicate, intricate, and high quality. Antonyms for exquisite are plain, simple, and ordinary. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, exquisite. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.